Is it worth visiting the Kinsol Trestle? Hopefully by the end of this video I'll have helped you make that decision. The Kinsol Trestle is located roughly an hour's drive north of Victoria. There's free parking on site. The trestle itself is roughly a 1 kilometre walk from the car park. You can continue beyond the Kinsol Trestle, however on this occasion when we visited we just travelled to the Kinsol Trestle and then back again. The walk itself to the trestle is flat with a gravel surface. Just before arriving at the trestle there are some benches and tables where you can have a rest, take on board some food and water, and then you arrive at the Kinsol Trestle, which is just a really nice place to be with some stunning views. I'm not going to speak for the next few minutes, I'm just going to leave you to enjoy it. There are lots of viewing areas at the top of the trestle, and you can also take a path down to the base of the trestle, which just gives you a different perspective. We hope you've enjoyed this short video. If you have, please consider a like and also subscribing to my channel. I can highly recommend a visit to the Kinsol Trestle. Thanks for watching.